lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm doing like an experiment. I saw this on Instagram and I saw a few videos here on YouTube, and basically it is like the replacement of the Dyson Air Warp, I believe it's called. That it has gone viral, and it's super expensive. So basically you use a plastic bottle and you put your hair in here, and with your blow dryer you create like this kind of a vortex so that your hair spins around and it should give you nice curls. Okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna start with this let's see, this section of hair. I'm gonna wet my hair, so I'm gonna put this away. And I have some water here. All right, so the trick, I believe, because that's how science works, I should put it on an angle so that the air goes like around, not straight into the section of hair. That way it creates like a sort of a vortex. So let's do this. So I've got my blow dryer and I'm gonna leave it at hot. I'm afraid it might melt the bottle, but what I did was just I cut the top and I kind of measured the size of this tip here of my blow dryer so it fits nicely. So that's very simple to do. So let's see. So this is what we're getting. All right, let's see. I wonder what happens with bigger sections. Huh, interesting. It feels wet. Let me just do it one more time. OMG. So this is what I'm getting basically. That is so funny. I'm gonna go with a bigger section, see what happens. Is this big enough? Yeah, that should do. Okay, next, I think what I'm gonna do is just not wet my entire hair like I just did, so that this part here stays kind of straight and only my ends will have that nice curl. Let's try that with the next section, but for this one I am going to repeat the same step as the first time, meaning I'll go all the way up one more time. I'm gonna do it one more time. Look! Yay! It's working with wet hair. It's working with like big sections of hair, because this was a little bit because this was a smaller section. The hair kind of flew all over the place, and because I had a bigger section here, it worked better. Okay, so for this side, maybe I should do all of my hair. What do you guys think? So it kind of works in my opinion, but you have to like, I think this one was a better success. Let's do this tiny section here. So my hair is dampened. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is how the hair looks like. I guess I could say it does work, but you definitely need practice, and the bottle really melts down. This is how the bottle looks like now. But it was an interesting tag. Whoever came up with this, hack, it was kind of clever because, it does work. You definitely need some practice, and also be careful because the bottle gets very, very hot. So that's why I was using the glove. So be careful if you want to try it. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Mwah.